Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to add integers using multiple strategies. An integer is a negative or positive number used to represent a real-world situation. Positive integers can be used to represent the height of a tall mountain. Negative integers can be used to represent the depth of the deep ocean. Now that we've reviewed integers, I'm going to teach you some strategies on how to add them. The first strategy I'm going to teach you is how to add integers using a number line. Let's start out with the problem -3 plus 4. Place a dot at -3, and then we're going to move 4 units in the positive direction, to the right, to -2, -1, 0, and finally to 1, which is the answer to -3 plus 4. Another strategy used to add integers are integer chips. Yellow chips are used to represent positive integers, and red chips are used to represent negative integers. For positive 5, put out 5 yellow integer chips. To represent -2, put out 2 red chips. A red chip and a yellow chip together form 0, or a 0 pair, which is highlighted by the gray box. In this example, there are 2 0 pairs. Since they make 0, we can remove them from the problem, which leaves us with 3 yellow chips, or positive 3. We looked at how to add a negative and a positive number together using integer chips. Let's look at how to add 2 negative numbers together using integer chips. To solve the problem -1 plus -4, put out 1 red chip for -1 and 4 red chips for -4. Since there are no 0 pairs to remove, all you have to do is count how many red chips you have. You have 5 red chips, so the answer is -5. Now that you've learned some strategies for adding integers, let's try some practice. There are several websites that have lots of games that'll help you practice your new skills. The first game I want you to try is called Orbit Integers. In order to play this game, you answer the question at the bottom of the screen. The faster you answer them correctly, the faster your spaceship will move. Some of the questions are pretty easy, and others are a little more challenging. But the more you play the game, the more practice you'll get adding integers. What I like about this game is it shows you your results at the end, your accuracy, and what questions you missed, so that you can see your mistakes and learn from them. If you like this game, hit play again, or I have more to show you. Another game I'd like you to try is called Spider Match. This one's a little bit more challenging. To play this game, you have to find 2 integers that add together to make the number in the center. In this case, it's 10. You have to work hard in order to make sure you do it faster than the other people playing. This game definitely requires you to move a lot faster than the other game and work harder to win. But it does provide really great practice on adding negative and positive numbers. The last game I want to show you is called Fruit Splat Addition Integers. You click on a level that you want, and then you can choose the mode and the speed. In this game, you have to match the question with the correct piece of fruit. This game isn't as fast-paced or stressful, so if you're just looking for some practice, this might be the game for you. Once you get better, you might want to try some of the other games to practice your speed. This game also provides you with your accuracy and how many hits and misses that you have. If you like the game, hit play again. I hope you like some of the games you just saw and are ready to get started. The links will be posted on Google Classroom so you can access them easily. Get practicing! Good work today! Goodbye!